Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for makeup that covers all the bases, blendable, buildable, and long-lasting, then stick around because today we're talking about a product that promises to do all that and more. Let's dive into the LORAC Porefection Complexion Pen Concealer in CP6 Warm. This concealer is designed to address multiple skin concerns, brightening, blemish coverage, and even pore minimization. It comes in a cream form, which means it should apply smoothly and seamlessly, and it's marketed as being suitable for all skin types. Plus, it's paraben-free, which is always a win for those of us with sensitive skin or those who prefer clean beauty products. Now, let's talk about how it actually performs. I've been testing this out for the last couple of weeks, and I've had a chance to use it in a few different scenarios, whether it was a long day at the office or a night out. One thing that stood out immediately was how easily it applied. The creamy texture is smooth but not too thick, so it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. I applied it under my eyes to brighten up, around the nose to cover redness, and even on a few blemishes, and it worked really well in all those areas. The best part, the finish is so natural. It doesn't sit in fine lines or settle into any dry patches, which is something I'm always cautious about when trying new concealers. I'd say it offers medium coverage, but it's easily buildable if you want a little more coverage for stubborn spots. When it comes to longevity, this product impressed me as well. I applied it in the morning, and by the end of the day, my makeup was still looking fresh. No creasing, fading, or oxidizing, which is often a deal breaker for me. But let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is lightweight, buildable, and paraben-free, which is great for sensitive skin. The color CP6 Warm is a great match for those with a medium to warm skin tone, providing a natural, brightened effect without looking ashy. It's also versatile. It works well under the eyes, on blemishes, and even as a highlighter on the high points of the face. However, there are a few things to consider. While the product promises to minimize pores, I didn't find that it had a significant effect on pore size. It did an excellent job of hiding imperfections, but if you're looking for a product that completely blurs pores, you might need a dedicated primer to pair with it. Also, the shade range is somewhat limited, so it might not be the best fit for those with deeper or very fair skin tones. When it comes to value for money, this concealer is priced a little higher than drugstore options, but I do think the quality justifies the price. You're paying for a high-performance, paraben-free formula that works across multiple areas of concern, whether it's brightening, blemish covering, or reducing the appearance of redness. I do think it's a product that will last you a while, so you're getting a solid investment for your money. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are other concealers out there at a lower price point that offer similar coverage. For example, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer provides great coverage and comes in a wider shade range, making it a solid option if you're on a budget. That being said, if you're someone who prefers paraben-free options and doesn't mind spending a little more for that, the LORAC Porefection Concealer is definitely worth considering. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. It's a twist-up pen design with a fine tip, which makes it easy to apply to targeted areas without wasting product. I've had no issues with it so far, and it feels sturdy enough for daily use. Wrapping up, the LORAC Porefection Complexion Pen Concealer in CP6 Warm is a solid choice if you're after a natural-looking concealer with buildable coverage. It covers blemishes, brightens under the eyes, and does a pretty good job of blending seamlessly into the skin. However, if you're looking for a product that drastically blurs pores, or if you have deeper skin tones, it might not be your perfect match. But for those in the medium to warm range looking for a reliable, paraben-free option, this one's worth a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.